Hello guys, welcome to TechnoLung Review. Today I will review Reoon Email Verifier tool. You will find its lifetime deal at AppSumo. It is an email verifier tool, meaning you can verify your email with it. As you can see, it is a quality email verifier tool. When I am reviewing it, it shows 542 reviews in AppSumo, and the number is increasing rapidly. If we see the review section, then we can tell that almost all the reviews are good. It means it is quality email verification software. We will explore the ins and outs of the tool in the video, and we'll see if it is a good fit for you or not. It is an alternative to Hunter.io and ZeroBounce, and it is the best for marketers, marketing agencies, small businesses. It comes with 3 plans: Plan 1, Plan 2, Plan 3. Plan 1 price is $79. It offers 500 credits a day. Credits will renew every day for a lifetime, not capped by lifetime credits. It has 100K lifetime credits bonus, will not renew or expire. Plan 2 price is $158. It offers 200 credits a day. It has 220K lifetime credits bonus. Plan 3 price is $237. It offers 2,100 credits a day. It has 360K lifetime credits bonus. Now, without further delay, let's jump into the dashboard of Reoon Email Verifier. Here you can see the verification activity graph. Here, you can see the verification activity day by day, like the 8 August data, 9 August data, and 13 and 14 August data. Here, you can see the lifetime usage statistics on the right-hand side. And here you can see the daily credits and instant credits too. It is the single email verifier option. Here, you can verify a single email. So, let's check some emails. Now, we will check this email. It is not a valid email. It says it is invalid. Is safe to send. False. False means it is not safe to send, and you should not send this. Is disposable. False. Again, it says it is a disposal email. Now, we will check this email. We can see that it is a valid email. In the email verification option, you can also verify email in bulk. Here are some email lists. Here, we mix valid and invalid both. We will check those in option 1. Copy and paste some emails there and check. Here, you will also see option 2. Upload file for verification. Here, you can add your TXT and CSV email list and check too. Download this file in .csv type and upload it to check. Now, we will go to the task and results section. Here, we will see the result. Here, some are valid, some are invalid, and unknown. Besides, it has API and integrations option too. Here, you can create a new API key for any use. Besides this, it has options like credits history, buy credits, my profile, affiliate, and FAQ. So it is a quick overview with tutorial of Reoon Email Verifier, and it is one of the best email verification tools, and it gives accurate data too. I give all the information in this tutorial so that you can work immediately. And if you really want the best email verifier tool, you can check that. You can find it in AppSumo as a lifetime deal for just $79. So go and grab this tool. I give the lifetime deal link in the description of the video. Just go to the link and purchase it if you really need it.